Hey y'all, this is Geri with Firia Labs. I'm here to tell you about a fantastic opportunity available to rural teachers as a result of a very generous contribution made to us by the Infosys Foundation USA. Now, through this contribution, we at Firia Labs are going to be providing 2 full days of professional development that will enable these teachers to take Python learning back to their students, back to their classroom, or perhaps your library, media center. But included in that professional development will also be a solo kit for our Jumpstart to Python curriculum. And this is all the hardware that's needed to complete all the projects in that curriculum, along with a license that's actually perpetual. So it's one that can be used over and over and over again with no renewal needed. Now, the opportunity is at the end of this month, January, so we're going to need you to act fast. First of all, you'll need to know if you are eligible for being a part of this PD. So on this posting, I've got a link that I'd like for you to check out to get more information. And if you can do this PD with us, we'd love for you to join us. We only have 20 seats left. So be sure to act fast if you're interested in this. And also reach out to us if you have further questions. Hope to see you soon. Happy coding.